How to activate National Australia Bank card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video, in order to initiate the online activation process for your National Australia Bank card and establish a fresh PIN, adhere to the subsequent instructions. Today in this video, I shall lead you through the steps required to activate your National Australia Bank's card. Commence by downloading and launching the NAB application on your mobile device, then sign into your account. After you sign in, tap on the card section situated at the lower right corner of the display. A roster of all of your cards, whether activated or not, will be visible. Opt for the unactivated card and then select the option to activate the card. Validate your card, particularly by inputting the final 8 digits present on the card, and then generate a novel 4-digit PIN for your card. Reconfirm the PIN by entering it once more, and then a security code through SMS will be sent to your mobile number. Input the code and you're good to go. So this is basically on how to activate National Australia Bank card. I trust that this video provided valuable information. Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for additional beneficial content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.